Hello and happy Friday. This video is for my Introduction to Health Informatics course. I just wanted to create this video real quick. I've had some questions about an assignment for this week, so I figured it would just be easier to make this video and hopefully answer some questions and clear up any confusion. So first of all, let me just go to this week's module that we covered in class and point out that we did go over the 3 assignments. If you look here, the first one is implementing clinical decision support. The second one is that SNOMED CT, and the third one is that UHDDS and the EHR. And the questions that I am being asked are pertaining to this UHDDS and the EHR. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that assignment. And as I mentioned in class, number 4 here is showing that there should be something here and you are not able to access it. And no matter how many times I edit and try to upload the document, it is not allowing me to save it. I mean, I can save it, but it's still not showing up there. So as I mentioned in class, I was going to upload it into a different page. And that's what I've done in a couple of different places. So if you look down here at the bottom of module 3, it is that document that is missing. And this is actually your assignment sheet. So this is what should be under number 4 is your actual assignment. This is the assignment sheet that you will be turning in for that assignment. So you will need this instruction sheet and activity sheet for the EHR Go assignment, UHDDS, and the EHR. So you can download this, you can print it off, however you are completing your EHR Go assignment, but this is what you will follow. If you're not finding it there, you can also go back to the home button, and I have actually created an announcement, UHDDS and the EHR activity sheets. You click on that, and it tells you that I have added it to module 3. So when you go back to module 3, it is right down here at the bottom. So that is actually the assignment sheet. So please utilize this assignment sheet for this activity, the UHDDS and the EHR. That is the assignment sheet or activity sheet that you will use for this EHR Go assignment. So any announcement that I post, please pay close attention to it because they are important. I did just post another announcement regarding some missing candles from the student lounge. So I'll just address that now. Please take the time to read this message. There were some some candles in the student lounge that were in celebration of Diwali last week. So if you were in the student lounge and you noticed the beautiful decorations that our administrative assistant had put up, please return those candles if you mistakenly took them thinking that they were a gift. They are a gift from us to you, but they have to stay at the on campus because they're not to be taken off of campus. Those were purchased from us or purchased by us as decorations, and we use them for other decorations as well. So if you mistakenly took those candles, please return them so that way we can use them for further celebrations in the upcoming year. So with that being said, if you have any questions pertaining to the assignment or anything else, feel free to reach out to me. Again, if you email me over the weekend, I may not see that email until Monday. I typically do not check emails after 3 o'clock on Friday. So I'll be back in my office on Monday morning around 8 a.m. So feel free to reach out then, or if you need to make an appointment after class or another day during the week, please do so on Starfish, or you can email me and we can set up an appointment as well. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all soon. Thanks.